Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.